Hello guys, welcome to another video where I try my best to explain double top strategy in a simplified form. I hope you will learn something at the end of this video. Understanding double bottom will allow you to catch insane risk to reward ratio trades. In this video we will explain the powerful concept of double top. We are going to show you what is double top, and how to apply this concept on the charts. Before we get started, please make sure you hit the subscribe button also with the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our new updates on this channel. Okay, let's start. What is a double top? A double top is an extremely bearish technical reversal pattern that forms after an asset reaches a high price 2 consecutive times with a moderate decline between the two highs. It is confirmed once the asset's price falls below a support level equal to the low between the two prior highs. A double top is a bearish technical reversal pattern. It is not as easy to spot as one would think because there needs to be a confirmation with a break below support. Let's take our first example based on double top pattern strategy. We mark our resistance zone here, and wait for the price to come back. Therefore we will wait for our few confirmations before we can take an entry. Here we have our neckline, which we will explain in detail on the next episode, so make sure you stay tuned by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Here we now have our double top, also with the long wicks on the resistance zone, which indicates the reversal pattern. The long bearish candlestick is our third confirmation to enter for a sell position. Entry point is here. Aim at lowest point of the current price. Put your stop loss above the wicks, and watch the market play out. Once the price is halfway to your take profit, you can move your stop loss to break even to protect your profit. That's it. Our take profit has been hit very fast. If you respect the market will respect you together with your setup. This strategy works on every market. Second trade example based on double top. Once you see price starts to fall, mark your resistance zone, and wait for the price to come back to that zone. Then you can start looking for your short entries. Now we have our double top. Place a sell entry and stop loss above the wicks. This is our lowest support zone. We hope the market will fall to this point in a very short period of time. Watch the price starts to fall down like a waterfall, and catch insane risk to reward ratio with this double top strategy. That's it for today guys. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. This will motivate us to upload more content like this. We will meet again in the next video, where I will be giving you my powerful strategy that I use to spot a perfect double top and make huge profits. Thank you for watching till the end. I wish you all the best in your trading career.